this is the very first app I've seen in my life where you can withdraw your very first money, your very first free money, within the first 5 minutes of creating an account on the app. Their minimum withdrawal is extremely low, and you can withdraw your very first money once you complete just one single task on the app. For sure, I will show you guys the proof in this video. And the best part is that this app pays in dollars, which is USDT. And there are a lot of ways to earn money on this free application. I want to advise you guys to watch this video step by step to the very end for me to show you guys all the secret sections. Okay, you can earn money on this particular free application because if you go over now to skip the video, trust me, you will not know all the secret sections you can earn money on this free platform. Okay, before I go to show you guys how it works, let us go to place a live drawer in this video for you to see that this app withdrawal is instant. So I'm going to tap on this button over here, and then I'll tap on balance for me to see my balance and just withdraw the money. You can see over here now on my earning balance I have earned 17 cents for free, okay, without any single investment. Let me go over now to withdraw the money. I will click on withdraw over here now for me to basically withdraw the money. And you can see over here now that their minimum withdrawal is just $0.001 US. As you can see over here on the screen, this app's minimum withdrawal is extremely very low, and you can withdraw your very first money in less than a minute to join the app. Just watch the video to the end. I will show you guys every single thing in this video. So you can see over here now for Faucet Pay, the withdrawal is 0.001, while for Pay, the withdrawal is basically 0.2. Okay, so for me, I want to withdraw to my Faucet Pay account. I will click on Faucet Pay over here now for me to withdraw my money to my Faucet Pay account. And as you can see over here now, it says send me your Faucet Pay account email. Okay, so over here is my Faucet Pay account. You can see over here now my wallet. I have $0. Do you can see over here my wallet? You can see over here now on my dollar account I have $0. As you can see over here on the screen, and guys, if you don't have a Faucet Pay account, you don't have to worry at all. I will leave a link to create a Faucet Pay account down the video description. So use the second link in the description to create your own Faucet Pay account to withdraw your money from this free any platform. Okay, and the next step is for me to enter my withdrawal amount, which I want to withdraw 0.1. Okay, 0.1. And then I will tap on send. Okay. And as you can see over here on the screen, it says success. We have sent 0.1 to your Faucet Pay account. As you can see over here, let's go now to Faucet Pay account, and then you can see over here on my balance I still have $0. Let me click on refresh at the top for me to refresh my account. Okay, and you can basically see that this app withdraws instantly. You can see over here now in less than a second I got the payment inside of my Faucet Pay account. As you can see over here on the screen, and the date is 28th of December, 2024. And you can see over here now under my dollar account I now have $0.1. And as I said earlier, you can cash out your very first money the very first minute you create an account on this particular free earning platform. Before I move on with this video to show you guys how everything basically works, so this is basically a free Telegram earning bot where you can earn $3 for yourself every single day by performing some little tasks. Okay, so for you to basically get started with this, you need to have a Telegram account. If you have a Telegram account, you are good to go. Just go over now to click on the first link down there in the video description to start earning money for yourself every single day, guys, without any single investment. And you can withdraw your very first money the very first minute to create an account on this particular bot. Okay, so once you are here over now or the bot, click on this button at the bottom over here, and then you click on End Cryptocurrency. Okay, click on Cryptocurrency for start money every single day. The platform you can see over on the platform you can earn money by daily reward. You can earn money by visiting websites. You can earn money by joining chats. You can earn money by starting bots. You can earn money by viewing posts. And you can also click on this last button at the bottom, and you can see over here now on this app you can also earn money by clicking on short links and also solving CAPTCHAs. As you can see over here, there are a lot of ways for you to earn money on this app without any single investment. Okay, with investment for free. So let me click on back over here now. So the very by daily what? Click over here, and you can basically get some free stuff every single day. As you can see, it says to early reward, you need to complete at least one task in the last 24 hours. Okay, so let's go over now to do some tasks. Okay, let me click on this view post to earn money by viewing posts. Okay, I click on view post over here now, and I can basically earn one by viewing posts. The post for just 10 seconds and then click on confirm view, and we can basically get paid our money. Okay, I look on this over button right now for me to basically get paid my money. And boom, guys, as you can see over here on the screen, it says success. You earned 0.001. Okay, this is even more than the minimum withdrawal. Okay, just to complete this one task, you have even earned more than the minimum withdrawal. As you can see over here on the screen. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is $0.001 US, and you have earned 0.001 USDT. As you can see over here, okay, you can go for now to click on daily reward, and you can basically just get your daily reward. As you can see over here, it says daily reward successfully redeemed. 0.001 has been added to your balance. Okay, so you come over here every single day, you click onward, and you can get some $3 for yourself without any investment. Okay, so the second way to earn money is by clicking on Visit S, where you can basically click on links and visit websites to earn money. So click on Visit Website over here now, and you can basically visit websites to earn money. Okay, so click on Go to Website, and then just wait for some seconds, and you can basically get paid your money. Click on Open Link. So you can see over here now, you can see at the top over here it says Visiting Website. So after 21 seconds, after 90 seconds, 18 seconds, you can basically get with your money very easy and very fast, guys. Okay, and I would say this is one of the best free applications for you to earn one for yourself every single day, guys, without any single investment. And there are also a lot of ways to earn. And boom, guys, as you can see over here on the screen, it says success. You have earned 0.001 US has been added to your balance just by visiting this particular website. Okay, just to click on the link and visit a website, you can basically get paid free money without any single investment. As you can see over here on the screen. Okay, and you can as well go over to perform some tasks to earn money like the joining chat, tasks to earn money like the start bot tasks to earn money. Okay, you can click on this at the bottom also, and you can also click on short links to earn money and also solve captchas to earn money. As you can see over here on the screen. Okay, to withdraw is very easy. Click on this button at the bottom over here, and then you tap on your balance, or you can tap on withdraw. Okay, click on your balance, and then you can then see your balance over here section, and you can click on withdraw. Here's the to withdraw is very easy. Click on this button over here, and then you tap on your balance, or you can tap on withdraw. And I hope you really got value from this video. If you do, go for now to subscribe and turn on the notification for missing content like this. Also do to like the video and leave a comment down there in the comment box.